Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you a cool bass line groove from Simon Gallup of The Cure, Fascination Street. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning, and we're going to start here at fret 3 on the A string. We've got a bass picking pattern throughout that's like this. That's down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we'll start on fret 3 of the A string and we'll play. Then we'll slide up to fret 6 and go down, up, down, like that. So it's just like that. Here's what we'll play for the first part. Go back. Then we'll go to fret 5 to 6 like this. So here's that part. Then we'll drop down to fret 4 on the E string. Then we'll move to the A string again, sliding up to fret 8, like that. So here's 4. Slide up to 8. Then we'll come back down to fret 3 on the E string and play. Sliding up to 6, like that. So here's the entire thing, starting at fret 3 on the A string. 3, 6, 3, 5 and 6, down to 4 on the E string, the A string 8, 3 on the E string, sliding up to 6. So here's the entire thing again. And that's how our bass line goes all the way through that song. So that's all we need to know in order to play Fascination Street by The Cure on 4-string electric bass. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. 1, 2, 3, 4.